With artificial intelligence growing faster than ever, we've crossed the line where AI and human work are often indistinguishable. But even when it seems perfect, something still feels different. So, large language models, such as ChatGPT, don't understand words. They just predict what comes next based on patterns. Although it's polished and corporate, LLMs still have features that make them subtly mechanical. But before we move on, this video is sponsored by the Powhatan Conservation Center, where we take conservation very seriously by letting baby powhatans get a sunbathing or sunburning experience like no other. Imagine being a baby powhatan and getting cooked on day one. Could not be me. That's why we did it to the turtles instead. Come for the sun, stay for the sizzling authenticity. Powhatan Conservation Center, where the babies bake while your conscience doesn't have to.